Okay, we have a little bit of notes for percent composition. We're going to do A, we're going to do B, I'm going to leave D partially finished that you need to finish, and then you need to do C on your own. Okay, so we got 4 steps. First thing we're going to do is get the parts. So we're looking at A, and A has sodium chloride, so that's 2 parts. We have a sodium part and we have a chloride part. And what we do is we then make fractions. So that's what I did here. So I've done the parts, I've made the fraction. And I put the part over the whole. So the part is really the mass. And the mass that is sodium is 23. The mass that is chlorine is 35.5. So I'll say this is sodium, Na, and this is chlorine. The whole thing is when you add those 23 and 35.5 together, so that's 58.5, 58.5. And now the last part, so we did that. Now we're going to do the percent. So times 100, and that'll be a percent, times 100, and that'll be a percent. When you do this, 23, divided by 58.5, and we move the decimal, that's going to be 39.3%. Okay, 35.5 divided by 58.5, and that's going to be 60.7%. Okay, hope that makes sense. Let's apply it towards the next one, which is sodium sulfate. So Na2SO4. So there are 3 parts. There's a sodium part, there is a sulfur part, and then there is an oxygen part. When I get these masses, this is 23 plus 23. So for sodium this time, it's 46. Sulfur is 32, so sulfur 32, and oxygen is 64 because you have 4 of them, so 64. The whole is going to be, let's see, 36, 96, 02, let's see, 96 and 46. So this is 142. And again, we're going to go through our steps. So now we're doing part over the whole, and then we're turning it into percents. Our numbers turn out and look something like this. 46 divided by 142. This is going to be 32.4%. This next one, 32 divided by 142, and this is 22.5%. And this is going to be 45%. All right, I think that we're making good sense. Let's take a look at the ammonium oxide, D. So I'm going to try to squeeze this in over here on the side. And again, I'm not going to finish this, but you need to finish it. So we have ammonium, and there's 2 and O. So we have 3 fractions we need. We need a nitrogen fraction, we need a hydrogen fraction, and we need an oxygen fraction. So it turns out that there are 2 nitrogens, so that's going to be 28, and that 2 is because that 2 goes to everything inside. So there's 8 hydrogens because 2 times the 4 would be 8. And then there's only 1 oxygen, so 16. I didn't really leave much room to put these into fractions, so let me zoom in. So this is going to be 28, and 8 is 36, 46, 52. So the bottom number is 52, the whole 52, 52. And you guys will finish the rest. You need to turn those, okay, into percents. And you'll be on your way. Thank you. Don't forget to do last